So this is our computer and it has an error. Let me show you how to fix this. So I have turned on the computer and this is the error coming. So I will tell you how to fix it. So first of all, we will change the SATA port. So currently you can see this. Let me show you. It is here. So we will clean it and move it to another port. Do it after turning off the computer. Then restart the computer. So as you can see, this is a error coming in my PC, and you can see everything is connected right. The hard disk is completely connected with the SATA port. So to fix this error, we will just change the SATA cable. Let me show you. Just turn off the computer first.
Bro, look at this.
Okay. Done. Now we will power up the computer. Now press enter. So the problem was the SATA cable. Done.